Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change username on Threads, and here's how it is done. To start, open the Threads app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile, you will see your username displayed below your name. To make changes, tap Edit Profile. Your username will be listed next to your name. Tap it to proceed. You will then see a message saying that your username is linked to your Instagram account and can't be changed directly on Threads. Since Threads and Instagram are connected, any username changes must be made through Instagram. Tap Done and then tap the Instagram icon in the top right corner. In the Instagram app, go to Edit Profile, find the username field, and update your username there. This change will automatically reflect on Threads as well. Keep in mind that both platforms must use the same username. There is no option for different usernames on Instagram and Threads. Once you update it on Instagram, the change will sync to Threads. And that is everything you need to know about how to change username on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.